Have you as a IP lawyer or as a fresh law graduate wondered as to what goes into arguments when your commercial suit qua infringement of a TM is listed before the court and you have to get it admitted? So let me just tell you a few of the tips as to what you should keep in mind when you are standing before the honorable court for your arguments. First and foremost, you should be particular about legal proceeding certificates. It should be annexed with your petition for infringement or passing off of trademark. Then you must have inserted for comparison the TM, which is a copy of your client's TM. You must show the comparison to the honorable court. You must show that the appearance is so much so deceptive that it is hampering your business goodwill in market. Then the jurisdictional point must be clear with respect to territorial as well as pecuniary jurisdiction. It must be very much clear. Then if the honorable court asks you about what are you praying for, what relief are you seeking, then you should be clear in that also, because it is a commercial suit.